Hi everyone, this is Aya, and in today's video we're going to try some ink smooshing and layering using distress oxide. Ink smooshing is a super fun way to add a color to your paper and make some gorgeous background as a start for your favorite projects. Card making, mixed media, art journaling, or tags as I'm going to create today. This technique has many names like ink smooshing or smudging or stamp kissing also, but it's all applying ink with a kind of plastic or acetate or maybe glass matte mostly. But I'm going to show you like two fun ways to create your backgrounds. So the first technique is using different shades of the same color. So I picked up blue, my favorite color. So I smudged the ink, then I spread some water. The important thing here is to dry between each time you place down your paper. You can flip your paper over, use your fingers, to press and move the watery ink, and you will end up with amazing background with different shades of blue. The second technique, which is layering using different color. So I smushed different shades of brown inks, and I'm going to smush my previous tag to build up some blends, and watch the result is really outstanding. Last but not least, a bonus tip for you guys. Do you know that you can do ink smooshing using a stencil? To do this technique, you need a stencil and a sprayer. And the more water you add, the more loose look you will get. And less water you use, a clear look you will get. So here are all the backgrounds after I turn them into tags. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.